Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to share with you how to make Koeksisters. Koeksisters is a traditional South African sweet bake. It is so famous that there's even a monument for it. Today my grandma is here to show us how to make Koeksisters. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. For the syrup you will need 6 cups of water, 2.5 kilograms of sugar, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of syrup, half a teaspoon of tartaric acid and half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Add all the ingredients together, bring it to a boil and let it cook for 10 minutes. Let the syrup rest overnight in the fridge. For the dough, rub 3 tablespoons of butter into 6 cups of flour. Add 1 milliliter salt and 6 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix 2 eggs. Mix 1 cup of water and 1.5 cups of milk. Add the eggs. Mix the wet and dry ingredients together and knead the dough. When it's got a smooth consistency, cover it with Glad wrap and let it rest in the fridge overnight. To prevent the dough from sticking to the surface, use oil. Use a quarter of your dough at a time. Roll it out until it's half a centimeter thick. Cut it into strips of 15 centimeters by 1 centimeter. My grandma preferred to use a ruler because it's easier. Fold the Koeksisters and place it into your prepared baking tray. There are several ways to fold it. My grandma will show you the 3 popular ways. Cover it with a damp cloth. Fill the pot with oil to a depth of 3 cm. Heat the oil while preparing the drying rack. The rack is for the cooling of the Koeksisters and the pan is to catch the dripping syrup. Cover your surface with paper towel and locate your cold syrup and drying rack right next to your oil. Test the heat of your oil by dropping a small piece of dough into it. It should take 10 seconds to rise to the surface. Only bake a couple of Koeksisters at a time. You need to allow yourself enough time to put it into the syrup. If you bake too much at a time, you can overbake it. When golden brown, turn the Koeksisters around. When both sides are golden, put it into the syrup one by one. Press it down into the syrup for a couple of seconds. While the next batch is in the oil, take the Koeksisters out of the syrup. If it is properly done, a Koeksister will have a crackling sound when you break it, and it will be full of syrup. Serve it cold. You can even store it in the freezer for a couple of months. Thanks for watching today's video. A special thanks to my grandma who showed us how to make Koeksisters. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.